If you suffer from stiff hamstrings, locked up hips, and a painful lower back, there's a very good chance I can help you. My name is Lucas Rockwood. I'm a yoga teacher, I'm a teacher trainer. But you know, I used to be a stiff office guy. I was so stiff I couldn't even touch my toes, and I got really frustrated. I was going to yoga classes, I was doing stretching exercises, reading books, and nothing was really working. I just wasn't progressing. If you're stiff and inflexible and you're not progressing, you're doing one of two things wrong, or very likely both. Number one, you're not stretching right for mobility, for flexibility training. It's very different than normal stretches. Number two, you're not eating right for flexibility. Nobody pays any attention to food and flexibility, but it makes a huge difference. So here's what I did. I got crazy about researching. I started studying mobility, started studying nutrition, and I put together this protocol I call the 7 Secrets of Nutrition and Flexibility. Over 180,000 people have gone through the course, and it can make a really big difference. Enter your name and email address down below, and I'll see you on the next page.